Meaning of George Gershwin.
George Gershwin.
George Gershwin.
George Gershwin.
George Gershwin. George Gershwin was an American composer and pianist who lived from 1898 to 1937. He was known for fusing elements of classical music with jazz and popular music styles, creating a unique sound that came to be known as Gershwin style. Some of his most famous works include the opera Porgy and Bess, the musical Funny Face, and the song Rhapsody in Blue. He was also known for his collaborations with his brother Ira Gershwin, who wrote the lyrics to many of his songs. George Gershwin's influence on American music can still be felt today.